This is how you trade with MT5 on your mobile phone. First of all, log into your broker's account and then create an MT5 account. You can go ahead and click open a trading account. You see the different types of account that is made available here. There's a cent account, a premium account, zero spread, pro, as well as if you want a bonus account, you can come and click the bonus account and you can see the bonus account that is available. So all you have to do, I recommend using a premium account. Click select and use an MT5 or an MT4. You can click an MT5 and then what currency? USD or ZAR for those in South Africa. And the leverage for a small account, I recommend 1:200, and then you click the affiliate that recommended you, which is me. All right, put my affiliate number there, don't forget that, and add it. So once the affiliate number has been added, you can go ahead and open. As soon as the account is created, details will be sent to your email. So you go to your email to fetch those details. Next step is to go to your Play Store and download MT5. Once your MT5 is downloaded, go ahead and click this plus button and click to log into an existing account. Search for your broker, HFM. In this case, I already have HFM installed, so I just click HFM and then you put in your MT5 login number. You will see this on your email. There's an MT5 number and then there is a password. Just go ahead and copy the password, not investor password, just the password. You go ahead and copy it and you have it. Must make sure that the server is live, not a demo. Live account, HFMSA live account, and then you go ahead and click login. Okay, so now that you're logged in, your account is set. You go to quotes. These are different aspects here. You find quotes, charts, trade, history, of course, message, and this is your menu and the plus sign and edit sign. I'm going to explain all of this very quickly. Now for the quote shows you what are the different trading instruments that you have to trade, whether you call it trading instrument or trading pairs. All right, so most times they give you a random, so you can go to plus in order to add what you want. But firstly, I advise you go to edit, click the edit, click your delete button, which is that empty can there, and then you click everything, delete all. Once everything has been deleted except this one that is currently open on the chart, then you can click your plus and begin to add what you want to add. For example, go to Forex, you see everything that is written in Forex, okay? And then this is Forex Z. This Forex Z is because the reason you see Forex.Z and Forex, it shows to you that HFM has two contracts for currency trading. They have a future contract, they have a spot contract. So we recommend trading spots for Forex. So you can use your Forex spot. Let's say we are opening a Euro USD. Okay. As soon as I click Euro USD, it leaves here and going immediately to my quotes. I'm going to show you very quickly. And let's say GBP USD or GBP card, whatever it is, GBP JPY and so on. Okay, and I'm going to add gold. If you don't want to do all of this, you can simply just search gold. Okay, this is gold spot, gold euro, gold USD. Make sure you check it. You're not trading gold versus euro, right? You're not trading this, you're trading this, gold versus USD. So I'll click it. I want indices. You see there are indices futures and there is indices spot. You don't trade indices futures. Okay, we don't trade at all. We trade indices spot. Under indices spot, you will find US 100, USA 100, and USA 30. I want USA 30. I also want USA 100. Here you go. This is my quote. You can add as many as you want, and you can also arrange them. You can just hold to drag. All right. Whatever you drag first shows first on the list. Okay, very quickly, let's move on. Quote here also means your watch list. Okay. Now I'm going to click US 30 and I'm going to click chart. It brings me to the exact chart. Then I can begin. You can use your two hand. You can see on my phone here with my two hand, I can expand and I can zoom out. Okay. Also, you can hold this where you have your price here. You can hold it down and up in order to widen and also make it shorter for you to see spaces that are hidden. Secondly, you have your trade. This is where you have that shows you your balance, your equity, your free margin, and if you have any active trade going on, you will definitely see them here. Okay, your history is where you have, if you had already made profits, you will see them here. If you had made losses, you will also see them here. And you have your orders. It shows you any order you have executed, whether you took the trades or you didn't take the trade, as long as you clicked for an order to be executed, either a pending order or direct order, you will see them shown here. Okay, And of course, these are messages that you get from MQL5. Now, how do you start to trade? Let's go to Euro USD, for example. Open your chart. Then these are quick trades. Okay, if I want to buy, all I have to do, this is the buy option. You can see it written here, buy. If I want to sell, you can see it also written here, sell. Okay, and I can just go and click buy, and it brings me to this option for me to accept terms and conditions. I go ahead and accept, and I go back and click buy if I'm buying. All right, because there's no fund in the account. You see, it's telling me there's no fund. If I also want to sell, I can also click sell. You can see that there's no fund. So secondly, if I want to open a pending order, this is for pending order. All right, click here. I say buy limit. If I take it up, it becomes a sell limit. If I want to change it, you can see what we have here. It says buy limit. I can change it to sell stop. If I raise it up order, it becomes a buy stop. I can also change it to buy stop limit, sell limit. All right, I can set my stop loss. I can set my take profit. Just easy right here on my phone, and then I click this arrow here in order for me to confirm, and then I can place. You can see it has been placed, my sell limit at this point. All right, another thing you must understand when you are setting sell limit and all of this, let me quickly delete this. Go to trade, you see them there. Now if you want to close a trade, let's assume this trade we took it and it's already running. If I want to close it, you can swipe to your left. This tick good here that shows like a SIM card, and then there's a tick good sign here, this one here. All you have to do, you click it. It says you should delete order. If it's an active order, it will show you, do you want to close, and then you go confirm. It's gone. All right, this option you have right here is for you to click allow quick trade, for you to take an instant trade. You want to allow it or you want to disallow it. So if I click it now, you will see I'm allowing instant trade. If I don't click it, if I click it again, the instant trade is gone. Make sure you always conscious of what lot size you're going to use. Set your lot size. If you have a small account, advisable to start with 0.01 for currencies. For US 30, for example, US 30, which are indices, you can start with as little as 0.1. 0.1 is a micro account for HFM. So this is how you trade. You can go ahead and buy, or you can go ahead and sell, or you can go ahead and sell to your buy limit or your sell limit. Let's say I want this trade to buy here, or I want this trade to sell. I want this market to get to this point and sell. Okay, if I want that, I can go ahead and set my stop loss. I'm believing that this stop loss will get here. I'm just doing a random worker, guys. And then my TP, and then I'm saying I want to set my TP here. Okay, then what lot size? Do I want a 0.1, 0.5, or do I want a 1 standard lot? All right, so you can go ahead and set your stop loss. You can set it manually, or you can just set it by clicking this arrow up here to increase it, or this arrow down here to decrease it. And then you click this arrow when you are done with your setup. Confirm again that all you want is what you have set, the price at which you want it to be set, the exact lot size you want to use. If you want to increase it, click here. If you want to decrease it, click here. And secondly, you want to confirm that it is a sell limit you are looking for. If it is not a sell limit, just click it. It will give you different options again. Once you're done with all of this, go straight to place. There you go, and all you see is love, making money. All right, so this is the trade. As soon as this trade gets to this point, it will activate it, and if it continues to go up, you're losing. But if it's activated and comes down, you're making profit, guys. So that is it. You can always adjust. You can always adjust your TPs and increase it, and click the arrow to confirm. You can also always adjust your stop loss. Click the arrow to confirm. You can also always adjust the price point for which you want your sell stop to activate. Unfortunately, there's no fund in this account. I would have taken a live trade for you so that you see this is how you take a trade. But if you want to take an immediate trade, you can use here to take a trade. All right, you can use here to sell and to buy. So this is how you use your MT5 on a mobile phone. Click the link on the description for you to register a broker with HFM. Let's go. You can also join our community. It is there. It is live. Let's trade live. On our community, we give signals. We have a free community we send signals to once a day. And then our paid community, we send 2 signals. And of course, we also go live every day. All right. You don't want to miss any of this.